advance. The views.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Gotta get up there to see them.
Gotta get up there.
Huh. We're earning this view.
The way it should be.
Heart rate 131. You know, surviving.
Alright, this view's even better.
Let's check it out.
I think that's the beach.
Oh.
Also, the cool thing about this one is that we don't have to come back the way we came. Like, there's like a little bit where we down. That's beautiful.
Yeah. We have way more to go now.
Yeah.
All the way to the tippy top? Woo. Well, we're halfway there, I think. Let's go.
Oh, you can go around this way, I think. I took the shortcut.
Waves crashing.
That's an awesome sound. I know, we're not. Coming out of the rocks. It's brilliant. Yeah.
We have a
We gotta
cool part coming.
Yeah.
We-
We're gonna channel the inner mountain goat.
I think we have a great crossing right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, legit hiking. Okay, Mike. You guys crossing it back again, or first time?
Just got halfway up and
Just called it. Yeah, it's getting a little bit scarier as you go up. Enjoy. But I got you.
We get to rungs.
All right, my turn. Okay. Yeah. Are you okay? All right, I got you.
How do you have me?
I got you on video.
Oh, you got me on video.
Not your back. I don't have your back.
This is like low-key, like assisted climbing.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Good job, buddy. All right, here you go.
Huh?
I'm gonna give you this, the baton. Even though the screen is black, it's recording. There. Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna do the handoff. This is cool. Three-handed? Yeah. One more. Give me a sec. Okay.
You know, I haven't looked down really.
You don't need to.
Yeah, you don't need to look down. Thank you. We just did that. That is crazy.
My dad would be like, no, not at all. The view just keeps on getting better.
Well, yeah, that's the thing about going higher, right?
Yeah, this is cool.
Say that not being afraid of heights is like not being afraid of death.
I have a healthy respect.
And if you're not afraid of death, then you're not someone good to go on hikes with and do stuff with.
My question is how they got the rebar into the rocks.
You drill them.
Just drill holes?
Mm-hmm.
I can't imagine this drill.
Lost traction there for a second.
I've lost it a couple times. Yeah. It's awesome. Probably more elevation just now than in the last few months.
Here. Hi.
Welcome home.
Aren't you afraid of being on a cliff here?
No.
You should be. Oh, I'll appear into the video. Wow, me recording for the tubes. Sorry. I don't know why I did the wah. That was my nervous laugh. We're good. We're Gucci.
Alright, well, we've got Geo up there. You want me to hold on?
No.
Okay.
You're good.
Ooh, this got spicy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I might give it to you.
Huh?
I might give it to you.
I think you should. You need all your hands. Both of them. Which side? This one, right? Oh, it's this one.
Oh,
right?
yeah. That one, yeah. Oh, there's a grab rail here.
Mm-hmm.
We just conveniently put.
Yeah, it's crazy. And then go up this way?
Yeah. Might go before you.
You ready? Maybe?
No, you go ahead first because you are on the inside.
I need to grab her with more seats to like give me a little bit of leverage.
Alright.
I can take it.
And then you grab here, and here, and here, here.
Candy man. You good?
Yes.
Dame. Seas bobo.
Thanks. She's a lightsaber.
Let's see. I don't know if that one is better.
That one? Which one?
Up here?
Through here?
Or no?
No.
No, probably not.
Alright.
Should I wait for you?
I'll see you above that one.
Here?
Right there, yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, this one's fun. There's a hook up here. That one has an overhang.
Let's see.
Oh, we missed it? Yeah. Are they? Bushwhack. Make your own show.
Oh no, I'm kind of glad I came that way. That's terrifying.
It was way more exposed.
Yeah.
We're at the summit.
So Beehive. There's a crow. You drive it?
520 feet.
From 1 to 10, how hard was it?
A 6.
A 6.
Yeah.
Scary factor? 8 for me.
6.
This one has been on some
Yeah, I've been
crazy
on some
adventures.
Sketchy trips. I know point was I like.
I think this is where I've seen people take pictures of the sunrise. Beehive Mountain, not Cadillac.
No, it's Cadillac. Positive.
This is Cadillac?
No, I think one of these. It's the tallest one in Acadia.
Mm.
¿Para abajo todos los santos ayudan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this isn't a tour you could do with just anyone.
No? Do it with me.
Yeah. I feel bad. I think that girl was definitely pushed a little bit beyond her, like, comfort.
The one
Not a
in
bad thing.
the group in front of us
Yeah.
over there?
The couple in front of us. She was like, he was very much like making sure she felt good and secure.
She did it though.
Yeah, she did.
We actually lost track of them eventually.
You guys did a whole loop.
Yes.
How long did it take?
Oh, where are
Well,
we at?
exactly 88 minutes right now.
Okay.
All right, that's
So,
good enough.
We got
Yeah.
it.
And we included
Did you
the
do-
bowl loop, so
you
like
went
you
all
can
the way
cut
to
it.
the bowl. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
so you can
Okay,
cut it even
amazing.
shorter.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think you have an hour and 15 minutes till
Yeah, yeah.
sunset. So, yeah.
Oh, lovely, beautiful. Yeah,
90
yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
Look at that, 88 minutes.
you, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, you have to take 20 because you told them that. I'm so excited.